Awesome camera. 8 megapixel. I'm not sure if it's gonna work now though, but yeah, because I think I could have messed it up. I'm not sure. But you know, the Gorilla Glass is pretty good here on the front. Kind of hard to bend it. Oh, there we go. So now it's kind of like a Galaxy Nexus, because yeah, that's kind of cool. That is kind of nice. Oh yes. I'm not sure though if it's still gonna work. May work. I'm not sure. What I do know though is that the screen is, you know, you can't see anything on the screen right now, but I did notice that those buttons down here, they did work. But yeah, I don't think it's gonna be that good right now to use, you know, because this bad boy did mess it up a little bit. Maybe we can try to make it normal again. There we go. So now it's kind of like a little bit like the Nexus 1. Let's see, where do we have the Nexus 1? As we can see here, that's the curve that we're gonna get on that phone. If you compare it right now, they are kind of like the same. But of course the screen is a little better on that one, but still, that's kind of badass. So yeah.